Good morning, and God's best blessing upon you, because I realize a lot of times we're just operating at mediocrity instead of instead of expecting to operate in excellence. And that's not a bad word. Excellence is not a bad word. Excellence is a good word because it is where God lives. Hear what it says in Luke 12:48. When someone has been given much, much will be required in return. When someone has been entrusted with much, even more will be required. And I want you to appreciate whatever God has either given or entrusted you with, He considers it much. You have become much. The gift in you is now defined as much. Not a little thing in the corner, not something you're trying. This is now much. This is now considered sizable. The investment is not minimal. The investment in you, the investment in me, sizable. God calls it much. He's given much. He's entrusted us with much. And so we're asked now to invest much. We're not investing $1.25. We're investing millions of dollars worth of life experience, education. My goodness, our very faith and walk with God, we're investing it. The gifts God has given us, those things are much. They're valuable. They're the 10 talents. They're the 5 talents. They're much. They're valuable. They're years' worth of work pay. You begin to appreciate God is intending all of this to influence, not just impact, but influence nations and communities for Him. One person at a time. You've been given much. I challenge you, go do something with it.